Modern architecture is a term given to a number of building styles with similar characteristics, primarily the simplification of form and the elimination of ornament. The style was conceived early in the 20th century. Modern architecture was adopted by many influential architects and architectural educators. However, very few modern buildings were built in the first half of the century. It gained popularity after the Second World War and became the dominant architectural style for institutional and corporate buildings for 3 decades. Tulip Hava Hardware India Limited is a prominent business conglomerate specializing in architectural hardware products and bathroom accessories. The products of the company are receiving much acclamation in the markets under the brand name of Hava. The company deals in an exclusive range of products including patch fittings, floor springs, spider fittings, shower hinges, door handles and bathroom accessories. Besides, it has carved out a distinct identity in shower cubicle, glass partition, balustrade installation and spider installations for residential and commercial projects.
I would like to relate it to any other style of architecture. Architecture is basically what you create for other people, and it should be something that you can yourself live in, something that you can relate to yourself. Now modern architecture is something, it's sometimes very weird, like you can't relate to it. Sometimes it's so massive, sometimes it's so downscale. So modern architecture, if I put it in my perspective, modern architecture should be something which is modern, new materials are being used, everything, but it should be, people could relate to it. It's not like some people are just, dumbfolded and blind, some dumbfolded by the aura of the whole thing. They should feel comfortable using these structures. That's modern architecture for me. Glass has always fascinated me. I love glass because I love using glass. I love all the applications of glass. And when new people came, when Tulip Hava came here, we knew where to use glass, but we didn't know how to use it. We didn't know how structurally it was safe and how we're gonna put it. And the best thing I like about your product line is spider glazing. Everyone loves it, even I love it. The best thing about the domes that you create using spider glazing is that you don't have to make the whole frame, and it looks more of a monolithic, a whole one thing, one structure, and that's the beauty of it all. Glass, I've always wanted to innovate with glass. I want to create columns with glass, like Frank Lloyd Wright created mushroom columns. Now I'm not comparing myself to him because that's not possible, but I'd like to make columns with glass fitted with lights in the middle, so it gives a retro look. I love retro look, and it makes the whole aura of the room. It changes the whole aura, and that's why. And I also love the idea which I was shown in the catalogs. Using spider glazing, a dining table was made. So that was one of the crazy ideas, and I loved it. So I'd like to do some interior work with that also.
We also most is dynamic architecture, which is a very prevalent part of modern architecture these days. You can find many examples in Dubai. The best example is the existing towers. It's a complex. There are these twin towers. The whole the floors rotate with the sun, and you can have your breakfast, lunch, everything rotating along with the sun. That's the best part about modern architecture, because it's a very weird and a very daring construction. What actually is a part of modern architecture. Spider glazing is a product that is really fascinating because it involves using huge panels of glass and clamping them with spiders. So what I would love to create is a domical structure, which I have already experimented in an auditorium that I had designed. There was this big, huge domical structure. It was totally glazed. It had the central core was concrete, and outside it was totally glazed. It had the restaurant facing the glazing part, so that you can enjoy the view. And it is very fascinating because it's totally frameless. It has these spiders that clamp the glass panels. It's amazing because you don't have to use frames in it. There are no frames in the glass, and the spiders clamp the molded glass, because it's very easy to mold a glass, but molding the frame and then holding the glass is a different thing. It's like really difficult.
When I think of modern architecture, I think modern architecture is something like thinking out of the box. What comes to my mind first? It's like thinking out of the box, thinking, letting your imaginations go wild. Then sticking to the basics. It's not like thinking, letting your imagination going wild and thinking something which is unfeasible. I think sticking to the basics, keeping your basics strong is something which is very important. Then we should like stick to our basics, and I guess modern technology, science, research and development has made everything possible. So it's not like what we, if we think something and we think it's not feasible. It's not like that. We should think, and science has made it possible. Like your products and all, everything is possible. And
use of steel and glass comes into our mind, and facade, functional facade, like kind of. ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, but we have to think about the nature. We have to think about the possibility. We do not harm our nature, our ecology balance, and that's what modern architecture should carry.
The product that I found really fascinating was like the ceiling shower was one thing that was really fascinating. I use it in my like cubicles and all, shower cubicles and all. Then that bent glass panel, that was one more thing that I found really fascinating. Then like everyone is saying, spider fittings, spider panels, spider fittings. That is one more thing.
As far as the products of our industries, I'll go for spider fittings, because they are one of their kind. The own way of interconnecting the glass facade by hiding themselves behind the facade and making flush out the whole thing of glass.
So for the sanitary fixtures, basically for the cubicles and all that, if I'm having 4 bathrooms in my residence, I'll go for different concepts like Greek, Egyptian, Egyptian, dolphin and all that. I'll go for different concepts in different bathrooms and cubicles. They are more fascinating, appealing, and they have a class.
Modern architecture to me is something very bold, something that has clear-cut lines and less of bulk, but giving architecture would be delicacy. But at the same time, when you approach that thing, you should be sure that it's gonna be there and it's gonna be stable, and not one of those things that will just fall. And talking about the products, I would like to use the spider web thing, because when I talk about my previous thoughts as well, the delicacy thing, it's not visible, but still it's there to support the whole structure. And probably I would want to use it for the roof thing, because then the whole of light can come inside and unobstructed thing, and the view from inside would be amazing.
The future of Indian architecture demands great quality with great stability.
So let's have the face of Indian architecture. Because at Hava, we believe quality life starts from here.